Hi guys, today I got exciting news for you about a premiere coming up. Tonight you can enjoy watching together with me the Airbus A400M and Tornado dual ultimate cockpit movie supercut premiere here on Airclips.com. I'm Patrick and I have edited this film for you so that I would be very happy if you would join tonight in our live premiere starting at 8 p.m. Central European Time or 2 p.m. EST. And during the premiere we can also chat in the live chat and exchange a little bit with fans from all around the world, which is a very nice experience usually. So I believe that the upcoming film will be something really unique for you to enjoy, because it's not very often that you get more than 25 cameras on board of two military aircraft doing one mission together, departing from two totally different locations. So out of Büchel Air Force Base in southern Germany and out of Wunstorf Air Force Base right in the center of Germany, the Tornado fighter jets and Airbus A400M large cargo aircraft have been departing, meeting over Germany for an intense air-to-air refueling session. And really you will get this holistic view with a lot of cockpit footage, but also fantastic footage of the meeting of both aircraft for refueling and so on. It's a unique insight that the German Air Force has been giving us, and I'm very sure that you are going to enjoy this fantastic 30-minute supercut, which is a very fast edition of the full 2 hours program, which is also available for you today if you want. And if you're an Airclips member, you can find it here on movies.airclips.com, where you have the full menu of ultimate cockpit movies at your discretion. So hope to see you tonight, hope to see you in our live chat during this unique supercut premiere. Thank you very much for being with us and for watching Airclips.
Airclips.com